Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. It's BoxyCharm time. Don't y'all love the way I do that whole sing-song BoxyCharm thing? I received my base box. It's got goodies in it. The card is super cute. Sweet treats. Sweets are not good for you. The stuff in the box is good for you. So let's dig on into it. See what's in the box. I already see one thing that I'm really excited about. And then closer to the end of the video, I'll tell you all about BoxyCharm in case you don't already know. I'm gonna wait for the exciting thing that I'm so excited about. We'll pull out the other things first. So this is Touch in Soul. It's Icy Sherbet Primer. It's silicone free and cooling effect. I've never tried anything from Touch in Soul, so I'm kind of excited about this. I'm kind of excited about it. This retails for $32. And it says that it locks your look in place and keeps them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. It's a gel primer and it has an instant cooling effect. Once applied, that hydrates and preps the skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free, computer, with water capturing technology. I cannot get the box open up. There we go. Water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Cute packaging. It's very heavy. Well, it has a seal on it. Ooh, my goodness. That is thick. And it smells heavenly, and as anybody that watches my channel knows, I don't like to put fragrance on my face. Fragrance is bad juju. But there's a lot of Chinese writing on here. I have no idea what any of that says. Oh, the ingredients are in English. I will look into these ingredients though and determine, because I find that very interesting. I mean, y'all see how thick that was? That was really thick. Alright, moving on. The next thing that I see in the box is this Georgette Cleaner Vitamin C Mask for all skin types. Let's see what the card says. This retails for $36. Revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in minutes with a powerful infusion of vitamin C to protect the skin and prevent free radical damage while boosting collagen production. This is a clay-based mask, draws out impurities, allowing argan and avocado oils to nourish and revitalize your skin. So it's a clay mask that has vitamin C in it. That's interesting, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's in a little pump. Oh, there we go. I couldn't get it out. That's what it looks like. Oh. Doesn't really have a fragrance to it. I thought it did because I have a little perfume on the sleeve of my shirt, because I got a little sample of perfume in my Sephora order that I got today. This has bentonite clay in it. Bentonite clay is very, very good for your skin. This is also cruelty-free, paraben-free, dye-free, and it's made in the USA. Oh, Mask Monday, y'all. That'll be good for Mask Monday. Let me wipe that off my hand. Feels good on my skin. So I'm excited to try that. And then we have Dragon Lash. Dragon Lash, where are you? Oh, here we go. Cuvine. Oh, I don't know if I entertain y'all, but I entertain the hell out of myself. Cuvine Studio Dragon Lash Mascara. This retails for $18, and it says it instantly creates the look of lash extensions with Dragon Lash Mascara. Lash doubling, volumizing mascara, lengthens and separates, giving you flirty. I need some flirty lashes. Flirty, although I'm quite flirty today. Intensely black lashes. Dragon Lash Mascara is a semi-permanent, high-gloss black tubing mascara. Contains polymers that wrap around the lashes, creating tubes so they don't smudge or flake. Plus, they're easy to remove, making you less likely to experience lash fallout during removal. Hooray for healthy lashes. I have a hair. Lashes are already falling out thinking about it. I've never tried a tubing mascara. I've thought many times about ordering the Thrive mascara to give that a try, so... Oh, look how cute the packaging is. Isn't that cute? It's got little dragons on it. Pick it up. Pick it up. Come on. Come on. Look. Those are little dragons. How cute is that? Oh, that's interesting as well. Look at the wand. So it's flat on this side, and then it's kind of rounded a little bit, but it's definitely... Pick it up, thank you. It's flat. That's interesting. Yes, I even have to smell the mascara. I'm quite excited about that too. So far, I'm excited about all three. I'm not excited about that fragrance, but I'll check into that. There's the thing that I'm excited about, but I'm gonna wait on that. The next thing is this little set of tweezers, and you know what? Just pluck it. Pluck it. That's super cute. Manna Kadar Beauty. Pluck it. 2-piece tweezer set. Just pluck it, y'all. Let's see. How much is the pluck it? $18 is what that retails for. It's time to say pluck it to bad brows. This tweezer set contains one slanted tweezer for precise plucking and one pointed to isolate a single hair in a large area. That's cool. Can always use good tweezers, and good tweezers are a little hard to find, so that's exciting. I don't have any lipstick on my teeth. Something is seriously wrong. And now for the thing that I'm excited about that's already trying to come out of the box. It's a Natasha Denona palette. Named something that I can't pronounce. It is, look how pretty that is, and it's already got a little bit of breakage, just a little teeny bit. Not too bad, but that's very pretty. It's called Ayana. Ayana. I don't know. Special edition palette created exclusively for BoxyCharm, featuring 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool tone shades in a range of muted browns with a touch of sparkling metal green tourmaline. Huh. Inspired by the Japanese meaning of aya, meaning color and design, combined with na, meaning elegant, graceful, and delicate. It's the perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated, classic looks as well as evening looks with a super glam finish. Formulated with Natasha's signature blendable, user-friendly formula and the highest quality pure color pigments. Dazzling chroma crystals and luminous pearls suitable for every skin tone. Cruelty-free and allergen-free. It retails for $48. Do we want to swatch it? Let's swatch it. I'm only 13 minutes in. I don't know why I need to roll up both sleeves. Clear. So this is pretty cool. On the back where it has the shade names. Let's see if I'm getting this right. So this is Harlow. This is Lash Line. This is Satin Skin. This is Crease. And this is Glam Green. So that's kind of interesting that they named it in a way to tell you how to use it. So there are some of the swatches. Look at that green color. So pretty. I'm just gonna swatch them here on my arm. Ugh. Look at how pretty that is. This green. Look at that. That is so pretty. I'm excited to use that. I did not swatch this color, I just swatched the other 4, but yeah. I love it. Another Natasha Denona palette to add to my collection. That's quite exciting. So that's everything that I got in my box. I paid $23 and some change, I think, for the box. The total value of the box is $152. This is the base box, in case I didn't say that in the beginning of the video, for April. And I subscribe 3 months at a time so that I get that little bit of a discount instead of paying $25 a box. I think I pay $70 for the 3-month subscription, so I get a little bit of a discount. So, quick little video to show you what I got in my BoxyCharm base box. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me pull out all the goodies in my BoxyCharm base box. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It really would make my day, and it also helps the YouTube algorithm to push my videos out to other people. If you know somebody that's on the fence about getting a BoxyCharm box, you can share this video with them so that they can see all of the goodies that I got in mine. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, I knew what your tip was going to be just as soon as I pulled these tweezers out of the box. You need to shave, son, because if you don't when you get here in June, Mama can help you. We're going to say pluck it to the beard. Mama loves you, boo.